Hello everyone, I'm Sameer from Khal. Today we'll go over some really cool ice cream recipes from Khal.com. Khal has more than 700 ice cream recipes and these are a few that caught our eye. We have a lot of the usual chocolate and vanilla ice creams, including the chocolate ice cream by mom and her junior chef from India. And if you love coconut, we've got the Thai coconut ice cream by Thai chef Zap Zap. Also, if you are dieting and you love ice creams, the Keto chocolate ice cream by Chef Richmond from Cambodia is your best friend. And the coconut ice cream in the coconut shell by Indian chef Payal. And if you are the nutty kind, try the pistachio ice cream by Rita from Canada. We also have a lot of ice creams with alcohol on Khal, including the Guinness ice cream by Jamaican chef in Germany, Miss Trina Niamin. Oh, I would love to try that. And if you have a lot of ice cream left over, you can just add rising flour and bake it into a cake. Jim Man from Mexico will show you how. Until the next time, take care.